Hi everyone, welcome to the Knitting Turnpike. I've been doing some decreases on this swatch, but there's another video I wanted to show you, and this is called this is a decrease stitch, and this is called the SSK, which decreases your stitch count by 1 or 2. Hold on, I'll have to do it to get it right in my head. Okay, so the way you want to do the SSK is you want to slip the first stitch as if to knit, slip the second stitch as if to knit. I slipped them independently of each other, and then you insert your left hand needle into the front because you're going to be knitting these two stitches together through the back loop like that, and that's how it looks. Yeah, you're decreasing the stitch count by 2 because you're knitting 2 stitches together. See, I had to do it before I could see it in my mind. And that's the beauty of this, is it looks like that. So you slip, slip, then you knit the 2 stitches together through the back loop. Slip, slip, oops, knit, slip, slip, knit through the back loop. Alright. There's another variation you can do of this stitch. Let me just do it on the back side. It might look a little weird, but anyway, I'm just trying to show you how to do this. Is you can do, it's called the SSP, which is a slip slip purl. Actually, I've already done a video of this. I will put a link to it either in the comments, and I will also put that little, if I can put that little icon up there, if I can figure out how to do that, I'll do that. But that's called the SS purl. You do the slip slip and then you purl through the back, purl them together through the back loop. But I've already done a video of that. So that's the other variation of the decreases. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Again, we did the slip slip knit. That's these last few stitches that we did. And it's a great way to decrease your stitch count by 2. And if you like that design, it'll work good into your design. Thank you again. Hope you have a wonderful day, and really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video.